It's Sunday. John's had the car back for about 2 weeks now. Just brought it back. I mean, it ran perfect when it left here. It was running great. Ran a little on the warm side, but these cars do. As you know, the fans don't come on until about 227, 230. They run hot. And we did put a nice thermostat in it. Nice 160. Where was I going with this? So he called me the other day, or shot me a text rather, and said it was getting hot. Like he was at the drive-thru at Starbucks, and it got hot. And I know Starbucks isn't far from his house, and he went to the gym, and it got hot between his house and the gym, and it hasn't even been hot yet here. So I had him bring it over. I mean, you know, this isn't even that hot. Like, it's very strange. The radiator is ice cold. He said the gauge was up to 280. And he had some steam out of it the other day. But he just drove it over now. But yeah, the radiator is ice cold. I can touch it everywhere. It's cold. Like, it's ambient, if not cooler. Side tank's cold. The water in the puke jug here, it's cold. So, that being said, did we get 2 defective thermostats in a row? That's always a possibility. I mean, I would not be surprised. Because this side tank's barely warm. The cap's not hot. This hose doesn't have any pressure on it. But the engine, hot. So I'm going to take this cap off gently. Look out. You can hear it. Got a little bubbly. Okay. So the radiator is down. But inside, it's not even hot. I got my finger in there, it's not even hot. So it's got to be a sticking thermostat again.